Hey, my name is Kalam. In this video, I'm going to show you how to exactly earn money online only simple work. Doing simple work. First, go to Fiverr.com, then type email signature. This is easy work actually. This person get 78 review. This person get 1000 plus. This person get 1000 plus. This person 86. This person 569. This person 1000 plus. This person 248. This person 1000 plus. This is actually copy paste work because only you need to only 1 or 2 hours for complete this type of work. First, I'm going to this one. Wow, this person running 2 order in this gig. This person basic 1 image only and 2 image $20 and 1 to 5 image for $35. So if I calculator, this person got 1825 review. Actually this person complete at least 4000 order, and I calculate for 3000, then standard package and $20 or $20. This person make only 1 gig from this person make at least $60,000 from only 1 gig. Then I'm going to another one. This one. This person order one. This person running 1 order in this gig. Actually this package $10, $15 and $20. This person have 2451 review. This person actually complete at least 5000 order. So if I calculate $15 into 5000, this person make $75,000 only from 1 gig. So if you want to make money from those type of simple work and doing a simple work, first I'm sharing secret way to make and create those type of email signature. So I'm going to canva.com. Canva is the absolutely free video and photo editing software. You can start right now for absolutely for free. Then type email signature. Here is the lots of free email signature here. I'm choose this one. Customize. This is actually for ready-made. Wow, this is cool. And I put my name. Example of my name is kalam, then graphic designer, and you can put your client information, example of 1 2 3 anywhere, and Mumbai, anywhere in California, in New York City, then phone number, email address, and website, then put your logo. Then actually it is replaceable. Then if I add this is really cool now. And if I do background remove, and this is pretty cool. This is really beautiful. Now you need to download all this design and sell your service in Fiverr.com. So if you want to more video, please subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you.